It's basically a place for a child or a student or a teacher to go to kind of get some energy out. Throughout the day, we're sitting a lot, kids are in chairs, we do have recess and specials and are moving around, but it's another place to kind of go and get that movement break in.
Teachers can use it to help their entire class transition from one activity in the classroom to a special area, walking down the hallway. Students who might be fidgety or have trouble focusing in class can use the sensory path to help get that input so they can come back to class calm and focused. We want it to be fun and cheerful for kids to use, so it's something for everyone.
Because it gives you exercise and it makes you jump around to get your energy out, so you don't be wild in school. Maybe when you're really excited and you have a lot of energy.
So each activity was kind of designed with the idea to improve body awareness, being able to feel your body and know where your body is in space. So for example, jumping, pushing, any activity with your head changing positions will provide vestibular input, which kind of has an overall organizing effect on the body.
When kids are aware of what's going on with their body, it helps their brains too. So regulating their body also helps them regulate their emotions.